Biggest thing I've ever seen.
In the meantime, let's talk some law, some family law. Jarrod Oxendine, the Ox, the owner, CEO, and managing partner of Oxendine Law. Check him out at oxlawfirm.com. Joining us right now. Jarrod, good Thursday afternoon. How you doing?
Gentlemen, good afternoon. Doing great. Thank you.
I think everybody is happy as Ant-Man fans. They're going to come and see the movie. Tiger Woods, an article just came out, and he kind of told the world, even though, he went through the terrible times of the divorce and the public castigation, he's happy now, and that's the ultimate goal in family law, right? Is just have everybody be happy. The money can only take you so far.
Well, absolutely, but in this case, the money even worked out for him. So keep in mind, I'm sure everybody remembers, Tiger's divorce was a huge public controversy. There are a lot of wild allegations, including multiple affairs, and he admitted his mistakes, and he atoned, and he recovered. And my guess is he probably had some really good attorneys that were leaning on him saying, look, man, just trust me, get this done, get a clean break, settle the case, admit to your wrongdoing, as opposed to dragging this out in a very long, expensive, protracted court battle. And where we are today is that he has made up for his lost endorsements. I mean, this guy lost millions and millions of dollars of endorsements when he admitted what he did wrong and got his divorce. Now we kind of fast forward to where we are today. He has reconnected with his endorsements. He has made a comeback, or at least he did not too long ago, a comeback on his golf career. And I think his net worth now is worth like $1.1 or $1.2 billion, which is more than it even was when he got divorced.
And let's talk about the one you can't put a price tag on. He seems to have a stable relationship with his children on top of everything else.
Absolutely. Stable relation with his children. I'm not sure what his current love interests are, but he's probably happier in that department as well. So, don't be short-sighted. You got to be far-sighted. You got to see the long-term game here when you're facing divorce, especially if you're a business owner, especially if you're a high-income earner. You can and you will recover.
Jarrod, I don't think there are many people, men or women, who don't want their kids in a settlement to get what's truly necessary, to give them opportunity as if there was not a problem in the family structure. It is a problem if you think, and for a long period of time as the meter's running, that some of the requests, let's call them requests, are completely out of line with what's realistic financially, correct?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you do have certain cases where one side is being unreasonable and they're going for blood and they're demanding the stars and the moon and the sun. And you do have to realize if you're in that type of situation and push back when you need to push back. But most of the time, that we're off by, within a matter of thousands of dollars or $50,000 to $100,000. We're not talking about 500,000 plus differences. So you have to make good business decisions in these cases.
How do you convince, and this is maybe the $64,000 question, the other side, your spouse? Let's say you want the divorce, she doesn't. I would imagine leaving the home is not something you should do. How do you coexist in that case?
Well, if you have children and you're going to be asking for custody, you definitely don't want to leave the home. And that's a mistake that a lot of people will make, is they want custody in the divorce case, and then maybe the spouses aren't getting along. One party moves out, and now they don't have the same level of access to the children, and the other spouse has an advantage over custody. So you don't want to make that mistake. So if you're in a situation where you're not getting along, and especially if you do have kids, try to just kind of back down. Don't let the other side gaslight you. If they try to escalate tensions, just kind of back away, maybe go sleep in a different bedroom, maybe leave for a night or two, let things cool down and come back, because you don't want to have some restraining order filed against you. You don't want the other side making up some false story that you have battered or assaulted them, and then the police come and you get arrested, and now you've got another uphill battle that you have to fight. So try to de-escalate and get along as best as you can.
Solid advice. That's why he's the best in the business. Jarrod Oxendine, owner, CEO, managing partner of Oxendine Law. Check him out if you need some help at oxlawfirm.com. Jarrod, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll talk soon.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.